All right, if you're watching this, you're probably in the market for a little space, a little privacy, and maybe just a little project.
Lucky for you, we've got the perfect fixer-upper that's ready for a new owner with a vision.
Let's trade these tools for some land and we'll show you around. Welcome to your very own 17-acre Texas retreat. It's AG-exempt, full of potential, and ready for whatever you can dream up. Now, let's talk about this house. It's 2,052 square feet with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. We've got a fireplace to cozy up next to, and believe it or not, there's paid off solar panels for energy efficiency. That means more money in your pocket and less on those electric bills. Now, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. This place does need some love. Fresh paint, new floors, maybe a little modern touch here or there. But that's what makes this so exciting. It's a blank canvas where you can create the home of your dreams. When the work is done, and hey, even if it's not done, you've got this to cool off in. A big backyard and a pool. It's not a bad way to end a long day of renovations, right?
So whether you're dreaming of a family homestead, an investment property, or your own private ranch, this place has the bones. It just needs you to bring it back to life.
If you're ready to roll up your sleeves and make this Texas retreat your own, give us a call for a private showing.